Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you are doing well. Today I am your host Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer, consultant sexologist, alternative medicine specialist, expert male and female infertility, chairman Taseer Patient Welfare Society, and you are watching your favorite program Khushgwar Ajwaze Zindagi. Today I will explain about the course which name is Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course, offered by Taseer Dawakhana and Taseer Pharma Private Limited. It is a special course prepared for the disease male infertility. In today's program, I will brief you what is a Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course, how it cures male infertility, why male infertility happens, its symptoms, reasons of this disease, indication, male infertility types, complete details about sperm quality and quantity. Viewers, first of all, we should know about what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least 1 year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 15% of couples in the world infertile, and there are several hormones which affects on a person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulation hormones. Luteinizing hormone LH is a hormone produced by gonadotropic cells in the anterior pituitary glands in males, where luteinizing hormones had also been called. It stimulates leading cells. Production of testosterone for a male in the normal range is 1.24-7.8 international units per liters. If luteinizing hormone LH level is below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland's problem. Their pituitary glands may not be making enough luteinizing hormones, which may lead to low testosterone. Follicle stimulation hormones is a glycoprotein polypeptide hormones. Follicle stimulating hormones is synthesized and secreted by the gonadotropic cells of the anterior pituitary glands and regulates the development of growth, pubertal maturation, reproductive process of the body. Normal follicle stimulation hormone FSH level in adult males are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international unit per milliliter. A high follicle stimulating hormone FSH level may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while low follicle stimulating hormones FSH level in the male may indicate problem with the pituitary glands in the brain. In general, the normal testosterone range in male is about 270-1070 nanograms per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peak about 820 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone levels above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of the balance. Indications: if you have been trying to conceive for more than a year, there is a chance that something may be interfering with your efforts to have a child. Infertility may be due to single in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is the inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases, male have infertility problem. A number of causes exist of male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility, or impaired ability to fertilize the eggs. The most common causes of male infertility include abnormal sperm, production of infection, impaired delivery of sperm, condition related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and our exposure to certain environment elements. Type of disease. Viewers, semen produced in testicle are a very important. Sperm production in the testicle are not working well, then it make a problem. There are two types of testicle diseases. First one is hydrocele, and hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occur when fluid collects in the thin shell surrounding testicle. Hydrocele common in newborns and usually disappear without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within a scrotum. And the second is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the veins with the loose bag of skin that holds your testicle. A varicocele is similar to varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicocele are common causes of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. Viewers, now I will tell you about the sperm diseases. There are 3 types of diseases. Sperm diseases named azoospermia, oligospermia and necrospermia. The first one is azoospermia. It is a medical condition of men whose semen contains no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia main causes in the infection included pus cells in semen, blood in semen, or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptom. Azoospermia is further divided into 2 more types: obstetric azoospermia and non-obstetric azoospermia. Obstetric azoospermia is defined as the absence of spermatozoa in the ejaculate despite normal spermatogenesis. Obstetric azoospermia is a common urologic condition and accounts for 6.1% to 13.6% of patients presenting for fertility evaluation. Non-obstetric azoospermia is defined as a no sperm in the ejaculate due to failure of spermatogenesis and is the most severe form of male infertility. Second type is oligospermia. This is a male fertility issues characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical, includes the ability to maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at orgasm. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 millions. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormones level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is a necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of live and a very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in the semen. It can be diagnosed via semen analysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or live and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. Reasons: there are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% of active motile. Good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliter semen. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 millions of sperm. If he has a 50 million or less than 50 million active sperm, then he is not able to produce a child. In a mathematically expression, we have a formula: 200 by 75% is equal to 150 million. 200 million to 200 by 70% is equal to 140 million. 200 by 60% is equal to 120 million. Viewers, a man produces 50,000 sperm in a minute, 72 million in a day. These sperm get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occur because of different sperm diseases. Treatment: Taasir Dohana has been established since 1946. You can recover from all these diseases by using Taasir Almas Sperm Grow Course by Taasir Dohana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctors and scientists of our institute, Taasir Dohana, work under the supervision of Dr. Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taasir, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakims. With prolonged research, Taasir Almas Sperm Grow Course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbals and 100% effective. Taasir Almas Sperm Grow Course is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific methods. With up-to-date machineries in Taasir Pharma Private Limited, Taasir Almas Sperm Grow Course cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cells, infections, hormonal level maintain, pH level of person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in the semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection, and start producing sperm, where person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase HGH hormones level, follicle stimulation hormone, FSH luteinizing hormone, and normalize the sperm count of infertile men, so they become fertile. Extra benefits. Taseer Almaz Sperm Grow Course is a special course, consists of 12 precious product and herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefits. Taseer Almaz Sperm Grow Course unique formulation contain safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow. Because the ingredients in Taseer Almaz Sperm Grow Course highest quality and verified or purity, their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient, as it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improves physical health. Special impacts. Taseer Almaz Sperm Grow Course has some special herbal dose qualities to achieve the gain of centimeters in the penis length and especially the girth, to help get your confidence and sexually satisfying experience, which is especially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation duration problem, stiffness, length, width problems and with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. Precautions. For better cure, avoid sexual relation with partner during course and medication. Avoid eating potato, beans, beef, all spices and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruits, honey, dates and fish. Do not put your laptop on your lap to also affect your penis and make you infertile. So avoid to this thing. Quiet smoking. Tobacco has multiple negative effects on fertility, not to mention your general health and the health of a fetus. If you smoke and are considering pregnancy, avoid alcohol. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility, and any alcohol you can affect the health of developing sperms. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and do not drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experiencing psychological stress had poor result with infertility treatment. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer Almaz Sperm Grow Course and spend happy life with your complete family. If you or your known person has infertile problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Almaz Sperm Grow Course, which will cure all infertility disease and problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.